How to make Springtrap, the full suit. Make the bottom, the left and right, the toes, the back, and the front. I used a 3D model as a reference image to see what size the boots will be. The size was also dependent on my shoe size. I am using an EVA foam mat that I found for $10 at my local grocery store. Now I am hot gluing an old shoe to the base of the boot. Now I am hot gluing the left and right panels of the boot onto the base. Now hot glue the back on. And now the front. Hot glue 8 rectangles together to make 4 triangle shapes that look like this. I'm cutting off 1/4 inch on 4 of the rectangles so the triangles are even. Now hot glue the thinner rectangle onto the bigger rectangle. Now hot glue the 4 triangles together. Hot glue each end to each end of the boot. You should end up with something that looks like this. Do the same process and make a second one. Now spray paint some even coats of metallic silver. Let them air dry and apply 2 more layers. This is what they'll look like. You can also add some black paint and some red, orange, rustic hues to make it look all old. This is how the costume looks so far. I still have to add some wires and some paint and redo the arms.